et bonsoir, encore. What I've said is good day or good evening once more or again. Bonjour et bonsoir, encore. Good day or good evening again. We are here today. We want to talk about the salutation. Salutation, which is greetings. Salutation, further salutation, put it there. Further greetings, that's over there. And le temps de jour, le temps de jour, le temps de jour. I was saying le the other day, it's plural of the la or le. So le temps de jour is talking about the times of day, the times of day or night. So, and the times of day starts at the early morning. The morning or the day in French is jour. The time, the morning or the day stands for jour. Jour. So this is day. Day. So when you want to say good day to somebody, you say bonjour. When you want to say good day or good morning to somebody, you say bonjour. B-O-N-J-O-U-R. Bonjour. Bonjour. So it means good day or good morning in French. That's the first few things you have in the day. And in the afternoon, some people say afternoon is après-midi, afternoon. Midi is noon, but après-midi is afternoon. So we can say belle après-midi, belle or bonne. Belle or bonne. In French, belle ou bonne. The same thing as saying good afternoon. Belle après-midi, bonne après-midi, la même chose. The same thing, meaning good afternoon in French. And then in the evening, evening is soir. Evening is soir in French. Soir. So you say bonsoir, bonsoir, B-O-N-S-O-I-R. So I'm going to mix English and French together. Bonsoir. It means good evening. Good evening. Bonsoir, good evening. In the night, we say, which is nuit. In French, it is nuit. Night is nuit. N-U-I-T. N-U-I-T. Night is nuit. Then we say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Don't forget, here we have the double N instead of the B-O because sometimes it's just written like this, and so it's bonne nuit when it is good night. When you want to say good night, but good evening sounds different from good night. So that's good night, and that's it. So jour et nuit means day and night in French. Jour et nuit stands for day and night. So having done that, bonjour, bel après-midi, or bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne nuit. That's the greetings of the day, the temps de jour. That's the greetings of the day. And what are the days called? What's the timing called? Timing of the day? Jour, morning, jour. So matin, matin. It's also called matin in French. Matin. M-A-T-I-N. Matin. C'est matin. It is morning when it is matin. So, après-midi is afternoon, evening is soir, and then night is evening. So, day or night. And the greeting is as it is as in English. It's good day. And you can just simply say, if you want to greet somebody in French, salut. You will say salut also. So, salutation. So, you can say salut and salut. There are other greetings that we have also in French. I want to introduce you to some of these words. There are so many. Because of time, we couldn't just do all the things together. It's an apostrophe. It's an apostrophe. So, c'est bon ou bon. It is bon or bon. There are two types of the bon. when it should be followed by a vowel, you use this one. So it's good. When you want to say it is good, it's good, it's good. It's good with me. You can say c'est bon avec moi. C'est bon pour moi. You can say it's good with me. Avec moi. With me, it's good with me. Pour moi, it's good for me. C'est bon. It is good. It's good. It's good. Bien ou belle. I've used it also there. Belle. So it means beautiful. Belle literally means beautiful. So you can use bien to say good. You can use it also with words to say beautiful or good. So one of the ways we greet also in French is ça va, or we say comment ça va. Ça va, when you are speaking with colleagues and colloquial language, you say ça va, how are you? How are you? It's a question, c'est la question en français aussi. So, comment ça va is how are you? How are you? Bienvenue. Bienvenue, c'est welcome in English. Bienvenue is welcome in English. If you want to make it very formal, you say soyez la bienvenue. Soyez la bienvenue. You are welcome. You are welcome. If you have come to visit me, I can say soyez la bienvenue. Monsieur, soyez la bienvenue. You are welcome, Mister. Soyez la bienvenue, mademoiselle. That's Miss. You are welcome. Or soyez la bienvenue, madame. So many other words can be added to. Soyez la bienvenue. It's a formal way of welcoming somebody. Bon voyage. You say safe journey or bye bye. Bon voyage. That's wishing somebody goodbye. Bon voyage. So bye bye. Safe journey. Bonne chance. Bonne chance is to say good luck. Good luck to you. Bonne chance. Bonne chance pour vous. Bonne chance pour vous. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Bonne chance pour vous. Félicitations. Félicitations. Just like the English word, but the pronunciation is different. Félicitations. That we are saying congratulations. 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 Félicitations. When you want to say somebody till tomorrow, we can say à bientôt. Till tomorrow, à bientôt. À bientôt. Just look at the mark, the accent that is on top of the TOT. So it's written like that. Such some of the rules are about the French. À la prochaine fois. À la prochaine fois. It's another form of further salutation or greetings that we use in French. À la prochaine fois means till next time. Till next time. So watch out for this word. Fois is time. Fois is time in French. So à la prochaine fois is till next time. So as we were saying from the beginning, when you want to greet, take note that morning is jour ou matin. 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 Afternoon is après-midi. Evening is soir. And night is nuit. So jour et nuit is day and night. And when it is morning, say bonjour. Bel après-midi when it is afternoon. Bonsoir when it is evening. And then bonne nuit when it is night. C'est bon avec moi. It's good with me. Bien. Beautiful. Belle. Bien. Belle. It is beautiful. You can say ça va colloquially. But when you are saying it officially, comment ça va monsieur? Comment ça va mademoiselle? Comment ça va madame? How are you madame? How are you sir? How are you madam? Mademoiselle, 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 mademoiselle is Miss. Miss. M-I-S-S. That's the title used for a lady. And then madam is used for a woman. Madam. For a woman. You know. Woman, madam, or Mrs. Mrs. And then monsieur. Monsieur is used for Mr. Or Sir. It stands for both words, Sir or Mr. So you can always add that. Soyez la bienvenue, mademoiselle. Soyez la bienvenue, madame. Soyez la bienvenue, monsieur. M-O-N-S-I. S-I. E-U-R. It's not D, it's S. I-C-E-R. So, monsieur, that's Mr. or Sir. It's a greeting in French. Bonne chance, bon voyage, safe journey, bye bye. Bonne chance is good luck. Félicitations, congratulations. À bientôt, till early morning, till next time, till tomorrow. À la prochaine fois. And I just remembered one. Ça va à demain. Ça va à la demain. Safe, God keep you safe till tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. God keep you safe till tomorrow morning. God keep you safe. Demain is tomorrow. Demain is tomorrow. So God keep you safe. God keep you safe till tomorrow. Ça va à la demain. Ça veut safety till tomorrow. It's a form of greeting too. You can say, ça va à la demain. That means I'm wishing you safety till tomorrow. So it's been a great time having you around today. French is not so difficult to learn, but you must be practicing it. You must be saying it as we also say it. Let's repeat it again. Bonjour, bonjour, bel après-midi, or bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne nuit. Bonjour, bon après-midi ou bel après-midi, bonsoir or bonne nuit. Stands for good day, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Thank you for being here. See you